Hello there. Today I am going to be showing you how to make a, what do you call it? A light show on Scratch using color effects and the draw function. So first, let's get our basic background. Go to backdrops, but go to code. Get a when flag clicked forever and a white button. Change color effect by blank. You can set this to a set amount, and so see it will be like that. I can also turn this quicker, so let's do 0.5. Or to get even more colors, you can pop in a pick random 1 to 50. Actually negative 50 to 50. So you can get more range of colors, and you could turn that how high you want. Okay, so now choose a sprite. Let's just go with ball, and we're going to delete all of that, and let's put this guy looks, so get a when flag clicked, looks, set ghost effect to 0. And then what you want to do forever, choose pens, set pen color to, can we put a pick random there? Yes, we can. Run to 100. And then it's just a simple move, glide 1 sec to, and then just glide 1 sec to random position. And after that, you want to go back to pen, to change pen size by, actually no, not change pen size, you want to set pen size by 1. Put that at the top and set this to 100. And let's press play. Oh, I forgot the pen down. Oh, okay, so you want to flip pen down as well, and set ghost effect to 100. Let's do actually 1000. I think I broke it. Okay, actually, you also put a erase all there, so it's that. And then change pen color by boom, and then just put in a 1 to 10. And let's change it to negative 10, so it can go backwards as well. And let's try that. Let's do 50. And also, put some more of these. Let's do saturation, brightness, and transparency. But for these, you can do negative 10. Actually, you can do -50 if you want. And then duplicate, 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 duplicate. So you have this. I'm actually going to duplicate it some more. And now you have this. Also, let's add some music. Okay. Let's do dubstep. And just, you want to put that in whatever one you have. Just another one play clicked. Forever play sound dubstep until done. And for added coolness, let's actually come out here and delete these. You want to go to X00 at the top. And do that to this one as well. Go to X00 and duplicate it. So that's 15. And watch this. You can fiddle around with the settings some more, but that's it for today, folks. Hope you like this. I will be releasing this on my Scratch account, Dragon8824, so go follow him on Scratch and subscribe.